So if you want to use the train, you can't make payment on the train like you can make on the bus, right? So you have to buy your tickets. You can buy your ticket in the train station, or you can buy it online. I think it's faster to just buy it online and then catch up with your train. And I'm going to show you how you can buy your ticket online. So you go to this app called Trainline from Peribah to Birmingham New Street. Find time and prices. Well, before we find time and prices, let's go back. At the top, you can see if it's one-way ticket you want, a single ticket, you can pick that. Or if you want a return ticket, you can pick that. Return ticket basically means like go and come back. You want an open return ticket. Open return means you can come back anytime that day. I always leave it on open return. So let's go back to find time and prices. So you have to wait for the next train, which is at 8:51. All you need to do is to just purchase this ticket. As you can see here, it says train to Wolverhampton and it's on platform 1. So you just click on it like that. This one is the cheapest, so let's just pick it. So it takes you to the payments, to the next page, and then all you need to do is just make payments, buy with Apple Pay. I'm not going to do that now because I don't need a ticket. So I'm just showing you how you can do it on your phone. Once you have purchased the ticket now, at the bottom of the screen, you see my tickets. So you click on my tickets. Because I don't have a ticket, nothing is showing there. But when you purchase a ticket, you're going to see your ticket there. And your ticket is going to have a barcode. So when you get to the station, you just simply flash the barcode at the gate, the machine at the gate, and then the door is going to open for you. I just remember something that happened to me. That's why I'm sharing this video, because I'm trying to help people to avoid embarrassments that I encountered. So there was a time where when we just came, I think the second or third day after we came, we had to go somewhere very far away. So we had to book a ticket, a train ticket, and when we got to the gate, honestly, I thought it was an automatic gate. I was just saying people, this thing happens so fast. So I was just thinking, oh, it's an automatic door. You just get there and to open. I didn't notice that people were flashing something. I got there and I was waiting for the door to open. I had my ticket, so avoid that. Please flash the one on your phone, the barcode on your phone, or when you get to the station, you can print out your ticket and just flash the ticket itself. So you make your way to the train station and it says train to Wolverhampton. So first of all, when you get into the train station, first thing you need to look for is platform 1. You wait for your train. When you see the train coming, you confirm, because there's usually a small electronic screen on the body of the train and in the front of the train. You make sure that it's written Wolverhampton there, because it says this train is going to Wolverhampton. Of course, you're not following the train to the bus to Wolverhampton. You're going to stop along the way, but make sure it's the right train you're getting into. Make sure it's the train going to Wolverhampton. This one has happened to me before. I was waiting for my train. Let's say my train was to come by 2:15, for example, and I waited. By 2:13 one train came, so I didn't even look at the screen, the electronic screen, to show where this train was going to, if it was my train. So I just hopped on the train. I looked at my time and I saw that it was not even time for my train yet. It was like 3 minutes before my train time. So I was already on the wrong train. So please look at that. So in our case, we are going to Birmingham New Street. So you wait until the train gets to Birmingham New Street, and then of course you get down from the train and then follow your map to find your way. It's going to be a long walk. Here it says 9 minutes. So you're going to walk 9 minutes to find your way to Buring Open Market. So I'm going to give an example for a longer distance journey, just so we can get an understanding of it. So real quick, let's say I'm going from Peribah and I'm going to Nigeria High Commission in London. So let's wait for that to come up. So yeah, basically we pick the first one, which is recommended route. It's pretty much straightforward. It's the same thing. So of course we've bought our ticket, we've printed it out. Please print out the ticket if you're going to use an underground. The way you know you're going to use an underground, there's this symbol. Can you see the symbol beside Euston? That's the symbol of underground. So most likely you're going to need the physical ticket. So basically all you just do, of course, you take your local train, West Midlands train. You're going to ride 4 stops to Birmingham New Street, as we've already explained. So when you get to Birmingham New Street, you can see that your next train is on platform 1. So you locate platform 1, and then you also locate your train. Your train is Avanti West Coast. So there's going to be Avanti West Coast written on the train, and on the screen of the train, the little screen I talked about, there's going to be London written there. So you basically go and wait on platform 1, get on your train. When you're sure it's the right train, you're going to ride 3 stops, and then you get to Milton Keynes, whatever. So when you get to Milton Keynes, you're going to look for platform 4. So when you get to platform 4 at Milton Keynes Central, you get on the 2206 Avanti West Coast train to London. This is another Avanti West Coast train. So you're going to ride this train for 1 stop for a total of 31 minutes, and then you stop at Euston at 2237. So now when you get to Euston, you're going to, this is the Euston train rail station. So you're going to walk 3 minutes to the Euston Underground station. Okay, so when you walk to the Euston Underground station, you get on the Northern Line. There are different lines. There's the Jubilee, there's the I can't remember the others, but Northern Line is one of them. So you get on the Northern Line, and then you find the train going to Kennington, 2246 train going to Kennington, and you get on that train and you ride 6 stops for a total of 6 minutes, and then you disembark at somewhere called Embankment. So when you get to the Embankment, you basically get down from the train and you walk 3 minutes and you're at the Nigeria High Commission. So that's pretty much the summary. I know it sounds a lot very complicated, but it's really not as complicated as it sounds. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please, if you have any questions for me, please drop them in the comment section. If you feel there's anything I forgot to talk about, please let me know in the comment section as well. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, hasta la vista.